making some chocolate chip chewy cookies that are gluten-free.
And do you think that maybe you might want to take a bite just to show everybody how chewy and delicious they are?
Definitely.
All right, break it in half, because that's what I think is so special about the cookie is that it's not crumbly. Look.
Yeah, look at this.
Oh wow, your fingers are like just pressing right into it.
Yeah, look in the middle of it. That's where my fingers were.
Show the camera.
Look at this.
Show how.
That's where my fingers were, right down the center. Look at how pressed that is, and I barely touched it.
It's so rare that a gluten-free cookie is this moist in the center and still crispy on the outside. Go ahead and take a bite. Do you like milk with it?
Yeah, I like milk.
Did they turn out right? All right, we got a thumbs up. Are these your favorite cookies?
Yeah.
Yeah, mine too. Yeah, I think they're the best gluten-free cookies that we've come up with to make. Okay, so we're gonna start with the dry ingredients right now. This is brown rice flour that is in the bowl. And what we're going to add to it are some interesting ingredients. We have here, so I'll throw them in and you mix around. So we've got cornstarch, tapioca flour, xanthan gum, which is essential in gluten-free baking. It'll help to give you the lift and the chewiness that you are often missing from gluten-free cookies and other baked goods. And then we also have baking powder and, or that would be baking soda and salt. So we're gonna. So the brown butter is looking pretty good. You can see that the milk solids have started to turn brown. And you can smell that it is nutty. When I swirl this around, the bottom of the pan, you can see is a little bit brown and there's that foam on top. But when you can smell the nuttiness and you start to see the browning, that's when you know it's done. All right, so now we have to mix the stuff that you like best.
Together.
What's the stuff that you like best?
Sugar.
Yeah. All right, so we have the brown sugar in here, and we're gonna put in, this is the white sugar, and then what you've got here, this is our secret ingredient, right? I'm gonna show them what it looks like. So this is the browned butter, and we've let it cool. So we put it in the refrigerator and actually even the freezer to speed up the cooling process. But you can see it's still all melty, and all of those brown bits on the bottom, smell it. Tell me what it smells like.
It smells like nut.
Yeah. All right, so we had a little bit of a technical malfunction with the camera. These things happen.
Yeah.
All right, so what we did was we mixed together the sugars with the brown butter and then the rest of the wet ingredients and started adding in the flour little by little. So here we are. I mean, this is pretty typical cookie batter that we're making.